Hello all my dear students. Let us discuss another topic on algebraic expressions. Here we will deal with some more questions based on simplification. In my last video, I have discussed about few terms related to the algebraic expressions. Before going to the exercise, I would like to discuss about what are like expressions, because for the simplification on this chapter based on this algebraic expression, we need to know about the like terms, because only the like terms can be simplified. So let's start our topic. I have taken few examples of like terms. You can see it: 7x, 2x, minus of 5x. We can see here in this example, the variables are same: x, x and x. Whatever the constant doesn't matter, but the variable x is same everywhere. Here it is 7x, this is 2x, this is negative of 5x. So this is an example of like terms. Same way here, 2x square minus of 8x square and 10x square. Here the variable x square is same in all these three parts. While the unlike terms, the variables are different. So these all were the examples of the like terms and unlike terms. As I told you, only the like terms can be simplified. Suppose we need to add these terms. So how to simplify this? Let's start. I have taken an example here: 2x, 5x minus of 8x. We need to add this. These three terms are all like terms. To add up, just put the plus sign in between. 2x plus 5x minus of 8x. 2x and 5x both are positive, will add up and gives you 7x. Then the next part is negative of 8x. 7x minus of 8x. Sign are different, they will get subtracted. 8 is greater, answer is negative of x. This is how we have simplified this term. Suppose there is another example I am going to take. Suppose under the bracket 2x plus 7. This should be subtracted with 3x plus 9. So how to simplify this? 2x, the first part, write it as it is. Negative, bracket will open, negative of 3x. And this is minus, this is plus. Plus minus under the bracket will change. Plus minus becomes minus. And 9, copy this 9. Now 2x and 3x, this and this part. These are like terms. Sign are opposite. 2 minus 3 will give you minus of x. Now 7 is in positive, 9 is in negative. Plus 7 minus 9 will give you minus of 2. You can either write this expression as negative outside the bracket, x plus 2. So this is how we can simplify whatever the terms are given. Just check the terms must be the like terms. Now let us move few questions on this exercise. Now let us take another question. This is question number 1 of exercise 12.2 class 7th NCERT maths. We have to simplify by combining the like terms. The first one you can see, 21b minus of 32 plus 7b minus of 20b. Combine all the like terms together and then simplify. I have rearranged this. 21b plus 7b minus of 20b and negative 32 is the another term. Simplify this and you get 8b minus of 32. The second one is same as 7z cube minus of z square plus 13z square minus of 5z minus of 15z. Now rearrange all these like terms together and then simplify. 7z cube is the only one term, leave it as it is. Then negative of z square plus 13z square, take it together. Now let me show you how I have taken this. I have taken under the bracket here negative of z square plus 13z. You can see this is negative and this is positive. Sign are opposite. Either you can put the plus sign and put these two terms under the bracket. Here I have put it, minus 1 plus 13 and z square. Then the second part here, minus of 5z, minus of 15z. So I put the plus sign and under the bracket I have written these coefficients, minus 5 and then next one is minus of 15. Minus 5, minus 15, both are same sign. Minus 5, minus 15 will add up, give you minus of 20. This is z, so z is here. 13 minus of 1 will give you 12. This is how we have simplified. Now let us do the third one. P minus of, then this is bracket, given under the bracket. Then again minus q, minus, then under the bracket q minus p. Now we will open the bracket. P minus b. This minus, the first one is minus p, so it is remain as minus. Then this minus and this minus. Minus and minus under the bracket turns plus. So this has become as plus. Q is the second term, next term. The negative q was like that only. Then again minus sign is there and then bracket is there. So minus q. This is followed with q. And then again negative and then this negative. Minus and minus. This will turn as plus p. Now we will rearrange all the like terms. You can see this is p. The first one is p. I will write it as p. Then another one is another p is here. Or you can see this is p positive. This is p negative. This will cut. This is q positive. This is negative q, cut. And then what is left here? Positive p, which I have already written here. P and then minus q. P minus q. This is the required answer. Now come to the fourth one. In this fourth one, you can see 3a is the term, then minus 2b, minus ab, then this minus is followed under the bracket. So minus a, copy this a, this I have written here a, then again this minus and this minus. This will become plus, minus minus plus. This is b, the next part. Then again minus and this is plus. Minus and plus will turn as minus. Minus of AB. Then the another part is plus 3AB. This I have written here. Plus B again here. And negative A. This is written here. Now rearrange the like terms. You see 3A minus A minus A. These are like terms. So 3A minus of 2A will give you A. Minus of 2B plus B plus B. B and B will add up, give you 2B, and this is negative 2B will cut. Minus AB minus AB. This will be minus AB is minus of 2AB. This will become as minus of 2AB. Then the another part is plus 3AB. So minus 2AB plus 3AB, sign opposite, will subtract and give you only AB. So this is what I have written here. AB. So the final answer is A plus AB. So in this way you have to combine the like terms and then simplify the given question. Let us move to the few more questions of this exercise. Now come to the question number 2. Again we have to add. You have to see for the like terms. The first one is 3mn, minus 5mn, then 8mn, then minus of 4mn. Just to add up, put the plus sign. So the first one I am solving here. 3mn plus, but the next term is negative of 5mn. Write it down. Then again plus 8mn. Then again 4mn. Now 3mn is positive. Let it be like that. Plus and minus will give you minus of 5mn. Then again plus 8mn. then minus of 4mn. Now 3 is positive, 8 is positive, 8 plus 3 will give you 11mn. Minus 5 minus 4 give you minus 9mn. 11 minus 9 will give you 2mn. You can do this way, or you can just go on one after the other and then solve it. In this way we can solve the second part, t, and then what is another t? This is positive t, this is negative t. If you put the plus sign in between, here plus and here plus, to add up this, plus t minus t will cut. Minus of 8tz plus 3tz will simplify it as 8 minus 3 will give you 5, but since 8 is negative, so answer will be negative of 5tz. And then minus of z is here again. This is minus z and the another one is again plus z. So this will cut and the final answer is minus of 5z. So in this way you have to just put together the like terms and then solve. So let us solve few more difficult questions of this question number 2. So this I have written here the 8th one. Let us solve the 8th one. 3p square q square minus of 4pq plus 5. This is under the bracket, the first part. The second one is under the bracket, and the third one is under the bracket. So plus and plus. So it will make no change under the bracket sign. So 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5. This I have copied here. Minus 10p square q square plus 15 is the another part. 9pq is here and 7p square q square is here. You just solve all the p square q square together. Here I have written all the p square q square, pq together and the constants together. While solving this, we can see the final answer is 5pq plus 20. So in this way, we can solve this question also. The same way, the 9th one, just be careful what is the sign outside the bracket. Since this is all addition, here it is plus. It will make no difference under the bracket sign. This is positive 4b, this will come as 4b only. This is negative ab, so this will come as negative ab. Again, this is 4a, this will come as 4a. This is negative 4b, this will come as negative 4b. Combine the like terms together and then solve. You will get the answer as 0. Same way I have done the last part, the 10th one. Since this is addition, I have put the plus sign here and it has made no difference under the bracket sign. So in this way, we have done the question number 2. Now let us move few more questions of this exercise. Again, here we have to subtract. While subtraction, be careful. We put the sign minus and check what is to subtract. See here, from y square. That means y square we have to write first, then subtraction sign, and the next part is again negative, minus of 5y square. Now y square, the first term is here, minus and minus. Under the bracket, this minus minus will become plus. Bracket means multiplication. So minus and minus becomes plus in multiplication. So 5y square. Y square plus 5y square will add up and give you 6y square. So this is the solution for the first one. Second one, 6xy minus of 12xy. So how to solve this one? Just do here 12xy. From 12xy means 12xy will be first part. Since this is negative, write the negative sign here. Then minus, because we have to subtract. Then the next term is 6xy. So this is negative 12y, negative 6. Negative 12, negative 6 will give you negative 18xy. So this is the second part. Third part, a minus b from a plus b. So a plus b, both are positive, minus, since we have to subtract, and then the another part is a minus b. Change the sign under the bracket. a plus b minus a. This minus and this minus. Under the bracket change, minus minus becomes plus b. Minus a plus a cut. This is b, both are positive. Answer will be 2b. Same way we have done the another part. Let us do the 8th one. The 8th one is here. I have solved here from this. This is a trinomial, 3 terms are there. This is another trinomial. From this, so we will write this as first part minus, since we have to subtract, with the second part is 4pq minus 5q square minus of 3p square. Since it is negative, so be careful. The first one will be followed as minus 4pq, then again negative and this negative. Negative will turn as positive, sign will change, again negative and this is negative. This will come as positive. Now rearrange the terms which are like and then simplify. In this way, we have solved the question number 3. Now let us move to the question number 4. What should be added to this to obtain the required expression 2x square plus 3xy? Suppose we need to add any unknown term. So firstly write down the question, what should be added? So the solution for the first one is, since the first part is x square, xy plus y square. These are in x and y forms. So just to add, suppose we need to add capital A. Suppose the required term is capital A. What we have to get? This to obtain means this is the answer which we will get. Now, since A is the unknown, leave this A and shift this term to the RHS side. So I've kept the A here to the LHS side. The term given there as 2x square, 3xy minus, this is all positive. When this will turn here, put it under the bracket, put the minus sign, x square plus xy and then plus y square. Change the sign under the bracket and you get the required expression what to be added. So let us solve this. Minus x square, this is minus, this is plus, plus minus will become minus. Xy, again this is minus, the third part is in plus, plus minus will give you minus y square. Now solve the like terms. 2x square minus of x square. This will simplify as x square. 3xy minus of xy will give you 2xy. And the last part is y square. This is the required expression to be added. Now what should be subtracted from this to get the required expression here? From this, from means we have to write this expression 2a plus 8b plus 10 first, because from this expression what we need to subtract, suppose we need to subtract a, any unknown expression a. What to get? We are getting minus of 3a plus 7b plus 16. So this is negative a. You can transpose it or just you can transpose the first expression, whatever. So I am just transposing a there and moving this 3a to LHS side. 2a plus 8b plus 10. Since this will shift to the LHS side, the sign will change. Minus will become plus 3a plus 7b will become minus 7b plus 16 will become minus 16. And this negative a will transpose to RHS. This will become a. 2a, this is 2a. 2a plus 3a will give you 5a. 8b minus 7b will give you, 8 minus 7 will give you 1, that is b only. Plus 10 minus 16 will give you minus 6. This is the required expression A. So the answer is this. In this way, we can solve all the parts of this exercise 12.2. Same way, the question number 5, what should be taken away from this to obtain this expression? I have solved and we get this way. Now, come to the last question. From the sum of this and this, we have to subtract 3x minus y minus 11. From the sum means we have to add this and this. So let us solve here. Take the sum 3x minus y plus 11. Take the sum with minus y. This is minus y. Minus y and minus 11. Firstly, we have to add it. So 3x, this is only x, one term 3x. Minus y and minus y will give you minus 2y. 11 and this is minus 11. This will cut. So this is the sum we are getting. Now from this sum, we have to subtract 3x minus y minus 11. So okay, now further 3x minus 2y, subtract, put the bracket firstly. What part we have to subtract? 3x minus y minus 11. So change the sign. 3x minus 2y minus 3x. This minus and minus will turn as plus y, and again this minus and minus will turn as plus 11. This is positive 3x, this is negative, cut. Minus 2y and y will solve and give you minus of y and plus 11. This is the required answer. Now again from the sum of this and this, we have to subtract the sum of this, and what is the next part? It's misprint here. So same way we have to take the sum of this term and this term and another terms whatever are given to you, and we have to subtract. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.